Today we're going to look at the adapter from BrosTrend. This is a USB-C to 2.5 GHz Internet adapter. USB-C 3.2 plug and play 2.5 GHz multi-gigabyte port. And this is how it looks like. And on the back you have more information. You can pause the video. It works with Windows 10, 11, Mac OS, iPad, Linux, Chrome OS. So yeah, let's see how it looks like. So you get an installation guide, and then this is the adapter itself. It's made of plastic, and the outside is aluminium. That's the port with the lights, and then as you can see, the bit that's plastic, and then that's the braided cable with the aluminium and plastic at the end, and the USB-C cable. And there you have it. Very useful to have on the go.
Okay, we got this in today. It is a USB-C to Ethernet adapter, 2.5 gigahertz. Pretty simple and basic. You plug it in and go.